Unboxing twins again. I have this in market. Look at it. Look at it. So cute. Let's unbox it. I forget. Let me. Come on.
Tapos hindi binibayluhan na biyo.
I'm gonna cut it open.
Abi mo mag-alyo.
Ano na sulod yun ako?
Oh my gosh. Stickers!
Dapat tapon pa lang yun. Sasasahan dahil lang.
Stickers! Look at that. Stickers!
Baylo lang labi.
Oh my gosh.
Ano yan?
Another
Labi,
one.
ano yung gagamay ka? Ang gandado. Ari, di sa naku eh.
Stickers! Sticker guys.
Ari, di sa kanya.
Stickers. I guess. Oh.
Kasi may mga igko natin na. Hindi na pagko natin na.
Nothing there. Okay. Oh, so cute. Look at it. So cute. Why always hurting me? Okay. Another one.
Nagkaon ka na, te. Brenda, ah?
Dog.
Nakaon ka na na?
Dami.
Rock, nakakaon ka na, Rock?
Yeah. So real.
Nagkaon ka na? Pagulang?
Looks different from other ones. They have this all. This one missing.
Yung ulitin ka,
Yeah.
no?
Look at that. So many. Oh, there you go. Come in for part 2.